Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can make a resume in MS Word using templates. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your laptop or PC. Once it opens, you'll see the home screen. Here, click on New to explore different templates. Now, in the search bar, type Resume and press Enter. Microsoft Word will show you a variety of professional resume templates. You can choose any design that fits your style, like simple, modern, or creative. Once you find a template you like, click on it, and then click Create. The template will open in your document, already formatted with sections like name, contact details, education, skills, and experience. Now, you just need to replace the sample text with your own information. Click on each section and enter your details carefully. Make sure your name is clear at the top and your information is accurate. You can also customize the font, colors, or layout if you want to make it more unique, but try to keep it clean and professional. After completing everything, review your resume for any mistakes and then save it on your computer. This method is very easy and saves a lot of time compared to creating a resume from scratch. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.